fix Modern Warfare 3 can't join friends party. So if you're facing a problem with joining your friend's party, then here's a quick guide. If you can't join your friend's party in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, here are some possible solutions to fix that problem. So the first one is account shuffle. Certain players have found success by changing the accounts on the same hardware. This might be worth a shot if you're struggling with the issue. And the second fix is verify your game files. If the account switch row doesn't cut it, attempting to verify your game files might. This can be done through the game platform, Stream or Battle.net, and could potentially resolve underlying issues causing the join problem. And the third one is switch roles. If you find your friend is also encountering the same issues, try having them host the party while you attempt to join. Sometimes reversing the roles can surprisingly work. So these were some solutions. Hope these fix your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.